Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you some things you need to do first before installing iOS 26 beta. The iOS 26 beta launched on June 9 during Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference is shaping up to one of the most significant updates in recent years, packed with a range of new features and system improvements. It promises to enhance the iOS experience. However, before diving into the beta, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. Device compatibility to potential risk. So in this video, I'll tell you some things you need to do first. First, you should check device compatibility. Not all Apple devices will support iOS 26 as the update is designed for newer hardware. iPhone 11 series, iPhone SE, second and third generation, iPhone 12 and later models. Older models such as iPhone X, XR and Max will not support this update. If your device is eligible, ensure it meets the performance requirement to handle the new software. Compatibility is critical to ensure a smooth experience as older devices may struggle with the demands of the update. Next, you should check storage and battery requirements. Installing iOS 26 beta requires careful preparation, particularly regarding storage and battery life. Go to Settings. Next, choose General option. Choose iPhone storage. Apple recommends having at least 12 to 15 GB of free storage available to accommodate the update and its associated files. Additionally, ensure your device is fully charged or connected to a power source during the installation process. These precautions help prevent interruptions or errors, which could lead to incomplete installation or system issues. Next, I'm going to tell you about backup your device. Before proceeding with the installation, it's essential to backup your device. Early beta versions are often prone to bugs and glitches that can lead to data loss and system instability. So use iCloud or local backup via iTunes to safeguard your information. This step is particularly important if your device contains critical data or is used for essential tasks. A backup ensures that you can restore your device to its previous state if something goes wrong during the update. Next, I'm going to tell you about beta stability and bugs. As with any early beta updates, iOS 26 beta is expected to have stability issues and bugs, so it may reduce battery performance, app crashes, or incompatibility with certain applications. Overall system instability. If your device is essential for daily use, it is advisable to wait for later beta version or the official public release, which are typically more stable. Early adopters should be prepared for potential disruptions and weigh to the risk against benefits of accessing new features. Also, you have downgrade options. If you encounter significant issues with iOS 26 beta, you have the option to revert to iOS 18, provided Apple continues to sign the previous versions. However, the downgrade process is complex and time-consuming, as it involves erasing your device and restoring it from backup. Should you update iOS 26 beta? Next, I'm going to tell you should you update iOS 26 beta. For most users, installing the iOS 26 beta is best suited for secondary devices. If you rely on your primary device for work or daily activities, it's wise to proceed with caution or wait for feedback from other users. Early adoption offers a preview of new features, but it also came with risks that could disrupt your routine. Carefully consider whether the benefits outweigh the potential drawbacks before making your decision. And you are done. I hope you found this video helpful, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.